So here we are on Gierok Farms, and I don't know if Aaron's going to put this in the video, but this bale got away from us, baling up on the hill way on the other side there, real steep field, and he was going to let Bale out of the baler. I'm right there with the skid steer. I was supposed to spear it and catch it, you know, and then when I went into it, as it rolled out, it just bounced off the bale fork and went rolling down the hill. So I thought, that's not going to work, but down in the woods it went, and it went like, oh God, it had 150 feet down into a gully, probably one of the the steepest, biggest gullies we got on this property. But anyway, I was determined I'm getting him out of there, and I kind of stewed on it for a few days. So it's like 3 days later. Got a bunch of these tie straps, and he was kind of sitting up on an edge on top of some brush, and I was able to get it around several times, and then went the other way, kind of gift wrapped it, you know, and you see here, went, and then, you know, kind of looped it through in a bunch of places. Probably took me almost 15 minutes or so to do all that, because I knew that once I start pulling, this thing's gonna just rip right apart. So then I got the cable from the winch and then wrapped it around the opposite direction, and I was able to get it snugged up, and by God, in one quick pull, it came right out and it wedged right up against the winch here. I didn't expect it to go that good. Anyway, so I retrieved my bale. So not something everybody would probably do. Most people would probably just leave it there, but that kind of bugs me, something like that. It's just waste, you know, and dry weather and everything, and a good dry bedding. Got another bale. So there you go. A decent ending to something that wasn't so good.